Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you this new feature. So we have now this new feature for editing audio, and this will let you add fades and transitions between clips way faster. So imagine you have an audio clip in your editing timeline, which we have right now, and we can look at the corners. So let's say I'll just duplicate this. So we have two here. And we have this squares, this corners, or whatever you want to call them, and you can just drag those squares to make the audio fade in or fade out at the beginning and end. So I can drag at the end and at the beginning, and now you there are some things that you can do. So for instance, to make even if you want to be more precise, if you hold option key in alt on Windows, this will let you focus on making the fade even smoother up and down. So if I hold like this, I can make it smoother. Okay, and like this. If I'm doing this and I'm not holding, will not work. And now